Yeah, I'll be working on size 41, you can see it. So I've already taken my measurement from the first leg. So let's go. You make your knot. They start from here. So you work 24 chains. 24 chains. You can see it. So you fix it here. You make a slip stitch. Then on the next stitch, you make single crochet. Then you turn. So you skip the single crochet you made and also skip the slip stitch. Work on 24 chains you made. Single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So you continue working to the end of the chain. That's it. So at the end, the single crochet on the first two stitches of the sew. Single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. Then you turn. So once you turn, you skip the first stitch, crochet on the next stitch. So you single crochet all through. So continue working to the end. Yeah, you can see it. So you crochet on the first two stitches of the sew. Next stitch, single crochet. You can see, then you turn. Skip the first stitch, crochet on the next. So continue working to the end. You can see it. Then single crochet on the first two stitches of the sew. Then turn. Continue working to work 7 rows. You can see it. 7 rows of single crochet. So you continue working. Skip one, crochet on the next. Yeah, here we are going to work on 10 stitches. So this is 2. So you work on 10 stitches here. You can see it. So at the end, you make one chain and turn. So you chain 1. So you walk down, single crochet. So continue working to the end. At the end, you make single crochet on the first two stitches of the sew. Turn. Continue working. You work up. At the end up, you make chain. Work down. So you work 5 rows. You can see it. 5 rows of that. Make one chain and cut it off. Then you light it off. So you repeat exactly what we did here. You repeat this other side. So you work on 10 stitches, work 5 rows. The same thing we did the other side. Yeah, you can see it. So the same thing the other side. Then on the 6th row, you work up. You can see it. So here we're going to work 11 stitches. You can see we have 11 holes here. So you make 11 stitches, as in 11 chains. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you continue working till you work 11 chains. That's it. So you single crochet down. So you work down. Then you take it in and light it off, the rough thread there. That's it. At the end, single crochet on 2 stitches of the sew, then turn back. So you are going to work 5 rows. 5 rows. That's it. 5 rows. So you're going to start from here. So you start from here, you work 15 chains. 15 chains. That's it. So you count out 14 stitches from both ends. Count out 14 stitches. So you start on the 15th stitch. So now we are going to single crochet on 12 stitches. So continue working till you work on 12 stitches. Then work another 15 chain down. Yeah, you can see it. So you continue working till you work 5 rows. Yes, you can see it. 5 rows. So here we're going to count out. So you count out 17 stitches. Then on the 18th stitch, you single crochet. So now we are going to work on 12 stitches. On the next 12 stitches, so you also count out 17 stitches on the other side. That is, you count out 17 stitches on both sides. Then you work single crochet. We are going to work 2 single crochets on this middle now, this center. So you can see it. You make 1 chain and turn. So you make 1 more row of single crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So this is the second one. You make 1 chain and end. You cut it off. Then light it off. Yeah, you can see it. So you work 19 chains from here to here, then walk straight to this point. Work another 19 chains to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So here you are going to work 7 rows. 7 rows of single crochets. At the end, you single crochet on first 2 stitches of the sew. Then you turn. Yeah, you can see it. Yes. So the next thing is back belt. So you work 51 chains. 51 chains. Then you count out 5 stitches from here. 5 stitches. Then on the 6th stitch, you make a slip stitch. On the next stitch, single crochet. So you turn. So once you turn, you skip the slip stitch and the single crochet you made on the last belt. Then work on your 51 chains you made. Work on 51 chains you made. Single crochet all through. So to this point, at the end, you make one chain and turn. So continue working to work 6 rows of single crochet. At the end here, you make single crochet on the first 2 stitches here. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it, 6 rows. So the next thing is fixing of buckle. You can see it. So you fix here, you count out 5 stitches here. Then on the 6th stitch, you fix. Just stitch it round. Yeah, you can see it. Then you buckle it. Yeah, you can see it. Please subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below this video for more tutorials on how to crochet any crochet project, both shoes and other things. Also like and share to your friends. Thank you. Bye.